So where are we?
Where are we?
Yeah.
We are in Jacare.
Jacare
I
what?
think that's how to say it.
Jacare what?
Jacare Village.
Village? Brazil. So,
There's a barber shop.
day one, first official day, we are on our way to immigration and customs. We are walking to go and catch the train to where? To Cabedelo, to go to the customs Policia Federal and Receita Federal to go and clear into the country. Yeah, so we were just busy walking down this little street from the marina. Yeah, you can see it's super Brazil-like. All these tiny little houses. But yeah, so we'll take you along and show you what it looks like. Train to Cabedelo. Cabedelo station. Onwards to port control. I think it's down this way. Porto de Cabedelo. Sounds more like Italian than Portuguese to me. Porto de Cabedelo. Sounds like a pasta. Okay, let's go. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film in here, but let's give it a try. Hey? No filming. So done checking in. We've got one more thing that we need to go and do. We need to go and see the port captain. But we will do that tomorrow, as it is quite a ride, or it takes like a half an hour by train to the main city of Joao Passoa. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but yeah. So yeah, now we're just gonna go get some groceries because there's nothing on the boat, and then go back to the boats, edit some videos. Come, we need to cross here. So, walking around in Joao Passoa, the city, to find the building for the port captain. And then once we visited him, we have checked in everywhere and we've done what we needed to do. Then we can walk around and show you guys and film more of the city. But we kind of haven't been filming much because we've been having to navigate on our phone, and yeah, so we will take you along for a few minutes and then we'll cut it at that. And yeah, the next time we'll see you will be us exploring the city more. Decided to take an Uber. Tired of walking.
Gonna sing down under the water, under what a world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing, under what a world. I'm gonna sing down under the water, under what a world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing, under what a world. I'm gonna sing down under the water, under what a world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing, under what a world. I'm gonna sing down under the water, under what a world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing, under what a world. I'm gonna sing down under the water, under what a world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing.
Jacare Marina. This is what it looks like, the strip next to the river. We're gonna go to this little mall, or not a mall, like this little market, waterfront type of thing. We're gonna check it out. Today is actually like the first really decent weather day in the past week. It hasn't rained today. It rained last night, but not today yet. Holding thumbs. Yeah, so let's go have a look what it looks like. Aluga. I think that's how you pronounce it. And they've got these massive river boats, as you can see over here, that they have these parties with on the river, and they drop anchor. That's the only thing that's not too cool about it. They drop anchor right next to our boat. Smoking indoor. Yeah, a bunch of dudes here in the back is smoking some really good indoor. Yeah. DJ Bettino, he's got his own bloody van, yeah? Wat hierdie antie vir my sê nie. Almal skree net in Portugees ou. Take a walk to the markets and see if all the shops are open and what they have. Then maybe we can sit up there and have something small. Ah, they're boarded up here. actually look at those Joao Passoa t-shirts. Hey? It's pretty busy, yeah? Huh? Lots of people. We came in when it was like raining. Well, of course, yeah, there's no one here, but yeah, it's pretty busy tonight. Got all these little stalls. Yeah, little Chinese hats. It's basically like a small riverfront, I don't know, marketplace. It's just a whole bunch of clothing stores, and it's almost like a small flea market with these little street vendors that are selling food. And but the outer side, the outer areas of the city, or of the town here, Jacare or Cabedelo, I don't know exactly which one. It's pretty rural, as I'm sure you guys have seen in the beginning when we came in to do the whole check-in and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll carry on having a look around. The treehouse, yeah. So it's basically like this big restaurant that's not a restaurant, more like a bar. It's in a tree. Pretty cool. So we can have some caipirinhas, maybe something to eat, and then head back to the boat.
Watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will really help us to grow the channel. Until next time.